and welcome back to my channel. And look what we have. Packages. So I just received my, well, I think it's only one of my orders from Shein. And I think these are all like the coats and jackets I picked out. Oh yeah, they packed it. Man, they don't play. So what I'm gonna do now is set up the camera to do a try on haul. And we are gonna try these clothes on. I'm nervous. I hope everything at least fits right, or a little big. A little big will be fine with me. So we're gonna do a winter Shein haul. So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, we are going to be getting into a Shein haul full of winter and fall outerwear pieces with some hat, scarf, and glove accessories. So if you want to see what all Shein has for the fall and winter time, please stay tuned and continue watching my video. I'm gonna take this off. I just got off work and I thought, why not do this video? And it's kind of gonna be like vlog style, which is fine. So we're just gonna grab the first piece. And I love how Shein packages their pieces, especially for like if you're moving or going out of town or something, you can use these bags. So I don't even remember, but this is it doesn't even have the size, but I would think this is a, yeah, this is a 5X. Oh yes, this is cute, girl. So I got most of these pieces in a 5X. Y'all, I'm fixed to be fly. Wait till my next shipment comes in. And these are pieces for me to go out in. You know, if it's not too cold, to go under a coat. Oh my God, I wish this, oh, I wish it had pockets. We always say that about pieces like this from Boohoo or Shein, that we wish they had pockets, but this is really nice. It fits so good. So Shein most definitely snap. I am gonna have all the links in the description box and on the side of the screen for sizing and the name of the item. So this is really, really cute. Come up closer. So it's kind of like a, not a wool material, but a wool material on this side, but not on the inside, so you won't get itchy. And the wool is not like wool. I don't know how to describe it, but this is so chic and so pretty. I'm gonna be so cute going to work. Oh, I wish this belt had little holes to go in, but I guess it's meant for you to keep it tied up. But if I want it open, which is also cute with a long sleeve. This is so cute. And my my pants has pockets. It's literally so cute. Okay, so that's a win. I'm excited now. And again, I got everything in a 5X because I'd rather have to shrink it down than to give it away, and I may really like it. So I'm just grabbing from the box. Everything came in. This also is a 5X. And it also comes with a belt. Hey. Ooh! Shit! Stop playing! love the little belt things. Okay, let me put them on. Yes. I may wear this tomorrow. Do it have pockets? Yes, they're a little high. The pockets are a little high up, but I like it nonetheless. It's so cute. And I like it because I am a bigger girl, so I like a coat to keep me warm, but I want to be able to put like sweaters under here, and I most definitely will be able to. Oh, and of course I'm gonna have a gap. I mean, I have hips, it is what it is, but overall, and then it's like a quilted material. Oh, it's just so cute and so chic. I just love it. Woo, I'm happy. Let me not get too happy because something may not fit, but it's going good so far. Oh yes, this is kind of like a blazer piece. Oh my god. Oh yes, sweetie. Have any? I mean, the last one did have the things for the thing to go through, so I may just make some on my own, because if I want to wear this open, I'm gonna have to take this off and put it in my pocket. But listen, the overall piece, let me see, I feel like I have, see, look at how far this is. Like, look at how far this pocket is. Where? Like, this pocket is too far back. But nonetheless, I'm happy it has pockets. So the pockets being too far back, and the belt, some of the belts that come with these pieces don't have little hoops that they attach to. So, but this is so freaking nice. Listen, baby, the outfits are going to be popping, and this is long, okay? It is long. Oh, I love this. Like, look how far my hands are. Oh, this is so cute. My mom's gonna be jealous when she watches this video. So this is not heavy at all. This is not anything that I will wear to keep me warm whatsoever. This is literally for style, and if it's a little bit cooler out, I can get away with this. Look how long it comes on my arm. But having it open is a vibe. Stop. Oh, so that's this. I'm gonna put all the belts that go with these pieces in the pockets. Oh my god, you guys, in my Casanova voice, yes. Now these pockets are on this coat so good, okay? Oh, this is it. Would be a scarf, glove, and a hat moment. A nice, like a cute one. My sweater tucked in, my scarf, I mean. I can put a sweater under here. And this is, I don't know if this wool material. I'm gonna have to look it up and put it on the screen. But look. And you guys, my hips are wide, like, and I'm here to tell you guys that because some videos I watch and people's hips may look as wide as mine, but they may not be, or they may be bigger, or like, it just depends. So, oh, if you're big on the bottom, this will be okay for you. But we do have to give and take. So like I said, this is pretty big, but I like it because I'm literally gonna wear this as a coat. It will keep me so warm. It feels so good. The button looks, see, it has like a little brown piece. I'll put a picture of the model with it on as well. But so freaking cute. Oh my god, I think yes, this was like one of my favorite pieces that was coming. Stop it. This is a moment. Oh, slits up the side. Yes, I am professional, going to meetings. Oh, and then look, the belt is, oh my gosh. These pockets are put on pretty well. I am gonna be cute, darling. What? This is so chic. It's so chic. Oh my god. Oh my love, I want to go somewhere. And this has no collar. Oh, with me like a slick back ponytail. I'm so happy. And this is also literally long, like longer than all of the others, with this cute little slit on the side. So when you like sit in a car, it doesn't, you know, because of the material, it may feel funny or something, a little tight. I'm so happy none of these pieces are lined on the inside, because they're like not be able to have any give. But this is so cute. Scarf glove. And I bought this piece here. Oh, I didn't know it had like fur on the inside. And this is for when it's really, really cold. So I will have to put this over my head. I think this is perfect for when I have to clean snow off my car. I think this will be really cute and keep me warm. Cover my ears. Or it can just play as a hat and a scarf. So I thought this was cute. And then I just bought a regular gray and pink, just a regular hat, scarf, and glove. Your typical hat, scarf, and glove. It's nothing too serious. These gloves have, they may be even too little for me, and I may just give both of them. Yeah, they're most definitely too little for me, so may give one to my sister for Christmas or something. So yeah, so that was it for this haul, you guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. This stuff fits bigger girls, I must say, especially if you have wide hips, legs, thighs, and behind. It most definitely will fit. Some people may even want to go a size down. I like this because where I live here in Wisconsin, it gets really, really cold. So like I said, I will be able to layer pieces under here. So yes, I enjoy Shein. You guys will see another Shein haul next Fashion Friday, and we're going to try to grow this thing here and keep this thing coming. Please make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at glinda.sin to see these pieces that will be styled, and I'll see you guys in the next video.